If no concrete slab or other flat surface is available, use the timber base frame as shown. If installing on an uneven or unlevel surface, please use the optional feet. Insert the feet through the holes in the bottom corners of the box to raise the box and adjust the nuts below and above the corner brackets to suit. Locate the slots at the bottom of the side and left-hand wall strip. Place these two panels onto the corner bracket. Secure the wall strip to the wall and insert the plastic cap to join the two panels together. Place the middle right-hand side wall strip on the straight bracket and place the horizontal bridge on top of the wall strips and use a Tek screw to secure. Position the second left-hand wall strip on the straight bracket and insert the filler between the two wall strips. Secure the filler to the wall strips using the plastic caps. Secure the wall strip to the wall. Place the second right-hand side wall strip on the corner bracket and secure in place using the horizontal bridge. Place the side panel on the two corner brackets and secure using the plastic cap. Line up the bottom bars with the straight bars and the corner brackets. Slide the front panels over the bars and brackets and secure each front with a Tek screw to the bottom bar. Insert the filler in between the front two front panels and then insert the corner caps into the top of each front panel. Secure by inserting the plastic hinge pins in the corner caps. Insert the join channel tabs into the slots at the top of the filler and the wall strips. Repeat to join the join channel to the filler and front panels. Insert top bar into slots in front left and right panels. Secure with Tek screws. Insert the handles into the door until a click is heard. Push the lip of the door over the front panel step. Align the studs on the door, insert and push down. Attach the lids to the unit with hinge pins. Align the small hinge pins with the holes in the sides and tap into place with a mallet. For the central join, tap the longer central hinge pin through both top lids and corner caps. Attach the latch to the door using the supplied screw, washer and nut as shown. Rotate the latch clockwise to lock the lid and door in place. Push the base pins into the holes at the bottom edge of the panels and through the corner brackets. Anchor box to the timber base frame as shown, or to a concrete slab or other flat surface. Do this for all four corners.